Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. I love that. You people are nice. Usually the only time I get that kind of response is right after I've just been done eating some pussy. That's not true. If you yell it out and if I spell it out, will you hear me, baby, when I tell you about what I have to say before it gets too late? It's not easy as I said it be, but there's something right about you and me. Something right about you and me. You're the color of a bird, a brook, the color of a sideways look from an undercover cop in a comic book. You're the color of a storm in June, you're the color of the moon. You're the color of the night, that's right. The color of the fight, you move me. You're the color of the color part of the Wizard of Oz movie. We're like Romeo and Juliet. We're like 40 dogs. Cigarettes, we're like good times that haven't happened yet, but will. I can tell you where we'll be when the whole world falls. To the sea we'll be living ever after. Happily. Other boys taking you for granted, tell you what they want with their eyes all slanted. I don't like the way they look at you. I don't like the way they talk to you. I don't like the way they talk to you. Wouldn't let them talk to you like that. Put them up high, reach for the ceiling, tumble down the walk. Damn it, I'm reeling, ain't no crime. It's dreams we're stealing. Anything to get more of this feeling. You take the high and I'll take the low. We'll get there before you know it. Ain't got much time to waste, we got too much life to taste. We're like Romeo and Juliet, we're like 40 dogs. And cigarettes, we're like good times that haven't happened yet, but will. I can tell you where we'll be when the whole world falls. Into the sea we'll be living ever after, happily. Sometimes you remind me of a moonbeam, or the ghost of a moonbeam out on the beach down by the coast, just slipping through the net like the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. So come out tonight, come out with me, baby. Throw the careful into the crazy. Turn the sky black into a sky blue. Turn the close shave into a... What I say is true. To make a fire, gotta burn a few, yeah. Gotta burn a few to make a fire. So. We're like Romeo and Juliet. We're like 40 dogs. And cigarettes, we're like good times that haven't happened yet, but will. I can tell you where we will be when the whole world falls in. To the sea we'll be living ever after, happily. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you soon. Take care of yourselves. Good night. Thanks a lot.